Hello, and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making banana crumb muffins. For our ingredients, for our crumble topping, we have all-purpose flour, brown sugar, salt, and butter. You want it to be cold. For your brown sugar crumble, you want to add it to a mixer. You want to add your flour, your brown sugar, and your salt. You want to mix well. You want to add your butter, and you want to continue to mix. You want it to turn into a crumbly mixture. You want to place it in a small bowl and set it aside. Ingredients for our muffins is bananas, brown sugar, butter, eggs, vanilla extract, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and all-purpose flour. For your muffins, you want to mash a couple of your bananas up and set them to the side. You want to mix together the remaining of your butter and your brown sugar until it is light and fluffy. What I did, I mixed my butter first, and then I added my brown sugar. Then you want to scrape down the sides of your bowl, and you want to add your eggs, your vanilla, your baking powder, your baking soda, and your salt. And you want to mix that well. Add the rest of your bananas and mix well until well combined. You want to add your mashed bananas and flour and mix until well combined. Add your mashed bananas, mix until well combined. You want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. You want to use a muffin liner or grease your muffin pan. You want to fill your prepared muffin pan. You want to fill it up 3/4 of the way. Then you want to add your brown sugar crumble on the top of your muffins. You want to bake anywhere from 25 to 30 minutes. You can insert a toothpick, and if the toothpick comes out clean, that means your muffins are done. We have made banana crumb muffins. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.